When you think about space, you may think it's a vast, desolate place sparse of any living beings. But actually, it's filled to the brim with life, just not any meaningful life. Houston, we have a problem. There appears to be a bunch of freeloading aliens catching a vibe, requesting intergalactic job applications. Space is a big place. It contains just about everything you can think of. In fact, big surprise, you're in space right now. Sounds like a big piece of baloney until you realize the planet you reside on is in space. You can't exactly leave space even if you wanted to, which sounds like an eternal sentencing of cosmic proportions, but you must realize you're locked up with pretty much everything you could ask for, so maybe there's not much to complain about. It may be easy to simplify outer space as just a big empty void, but that might hurt its feelings as it's not entirely true. Although space is a lot of emptiness, it is also filled with every particle and atom known to science. These particles are known to pop in and out of existence, so it can be kinda hard to determine how much stuff is actually in space. How you doing, Bob? The wife and kids okay? Yeah, they're terrific. Strangest thing though, I found a sock in our bedroom that looks very similar to the one you have on right now. Oh, crazy coincidence, right? I know what you did, Tim. Oh, look at the time, I've gotta go. Don't you worry, Tim. I'm not going anywhere. Now, there's not a lot of evidence of life in the universe other than us, but I believe the fact that we're here is proof enough. I mean, however unlikely life is to propagate, we eventually came to be. If space is truly infinite, then the probability of life is still possible because there would be enough space for it to happen again. Life is a pretty hard concept to grasp given we don't know how it originated. I mean, how do you start with dust and space particles and get living, breathing organisms that are codependent on each other? When we find the origin of life, we may find the purpose of our existence as a whole. Whoever or whatever put us here will definitely have some explaining to do. So if you were to sum it up, I guess I did make you out of boredom. Boredom? I'm doomed to walk through my existence no matter how painful, because you were bored? Well, I guess when you put it that way, it does seem kinda selfish. Make me happy now. Well, true happiness is found in the now. Alright. Make the happy cheese. Whoa, oops. Guess I turned you into a piece of cheese. Gouda at that. Well, you can't get much happier than Gouda. Good luck with the rest of your existence. Bye. Another natural phenomenon is the occurrence of black holes. Black holes are the accumulation of so much mass that not even light can escape. Black holes roam the universe, sucking up any and all matter that crosses its event horizon. This is the point of no return, as once you cross it, you are now part of the black hole. Because of this, we can only speculate what is actually inside of a black hole. Nobody knows for sure, but I figured we could always just ask. Hey Blackie. It's cool, I know him. What's inside of you? What's good, puny human? You know I got some dark matter, some subatomic particles, and a whole lot of tequila. Hey! Hey, where the holes at? Blackie! I don't want to jinx us, but we're pretty fortunate to be living at all, given how hostile space is. Space is incredibly dangerous and there's lots of things that can potentially kill us in an instant. This ranges from random supernovas to quasars formed by supermassive black holes. But even our own life-giving sun is out to get us eventually. The sun isn't expected to expand into a red giant for another 5 billion years or so, but sometimes our predictions can be off. The sun could be ready to go any minute now and we're just blissfully unaware. I'm gonna do it. I'm about to go big boom. Wipe away all known life in the universe. It's about to happen. I'm not gonna do it. Unless. Often, objects in space collide with each other and create space debris. This debris is made through collisions of stellar objects like asteroids, comets, and even the moon. Sometimes this flying space debris makes contact with the Earth and burns up in the atmosphere. But if the debris is big enough, it can make it to the surface still intact. This debris could be space junk made by us, or it could be a meteorite, which is just a space rock. Some argue space rocks are from space, therefore they are cooler and worth more, but others believe rocks are just rocks. The only way to find out what your rock is worth is by trying to sell it here on Earth. Here, a genuine space rock. Looks like a regular rock to me. No, this rock is from space. Look, you can tell by the streaks of metal burned by the atmosphere. Alright, how much you looking to sell for? Probably 150? I can do $150. But it's a... I'll take it. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Thank you all for watching, it really means a lot to me. Also, thank you guys for the support. Each and every one of you are awesome and I couldn't have done this without you. Stay cool and peace out.